Welcome everyone! In this video, I will go over how you can simply make money online using this free app. With just a few moments of your time, you will be able to set this up and have everything done for you so you can make money over and over again. This app is fairly new and is available on iOS and Android platforms. As you can see, this person made $1,600, this person made $2,000, and this person made $1,300, and the list goes on. Now don't jump ahead or else you might get lost. It's better to stay until the end of the video to get the full details of how this whole thing works. I will demonstrate a better process to make more money by effortlessly setting this up once. Then you can enjoy your free time because you will just be making passive income. All you need to get started today is internet connection and a smartphone device. So let's get started by checking out your phone. But first, don't forget to tap the like button of this video if you like making money online. So let's take a moment to like this video so that I can share this with others who are interested in making money online. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications bell and I'll notify you so that you will be the first to learn about new ways to make money online. This is now a completely free platform where you can have everything done for you so that you may generate money without having to perform any of the hard work. So towards the end of the video, I'll show you how to use this platform. But first and foremost, we will take a look at the app that will pay, and then later I will show you how another tool get everything done for you. This is the app we're going to use. Simply by posting your clips and photos, you will be able to earn money. So just upload your videos and photos and start earning money. You don't need a professional camera to do this. In fact, these are all beginner-friendly photographs produced with just a phone. There's a wide variety of photos ranging from selfies, pets, babies, natures, and more. Now, if you stick with me all the way to the conclusion of this video, I'll show you a completely free platform where you can receive these free images without having to use your phone. You will not be required to take those photographs or videos because everything will be done for you. Now that we took a look at the website, we can get there at foap.com. Although this is their official website, they also offer an app for iOS and Android that can be found in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Another fact about Foap is that it receives over 250,000 monthly visitors. This website is used by a large number of people on a regular basis. It was even featured in companies like ABC, CNN, BBC, and the New York Times. It also seems like 80% of platform users reside in the United States. So, how can you use Foap? All you have to do is upload various photographs to this website, and then agencies, brands, and other people will come to foap.com to purchase the stock images that you have previously published. They can now purchase those photographs, and Foap will split the profits 50-50 with you. Because they will market these photographs for you and drive traffic, they will split the earnings with you. They will be the ones to handle the sale. They're going to provide the photograph and deliver it to the customer. They'll take care of everything. It's as simple as uploading the photograph to Foap and then forgetting about it. Then, because it's all passive income, you can come back to collect your money at any time. And if you open any of these photographs, let's say this one, it's selling for $10. And most of them are selling for $10 or even more. Which means that if you post this image, you'll get $5 for every sale. You won't have to do anything with the shipping. Digital products are great because there's no inventory and you can sell it over and over again. After you upload several photographs, they might bring you a lot of money. The more images you upload, the more money you will make. For instance, if you sell 10 copies of this photograph, you will earn $50. That's $500 if you achieve 100 sales. After you upload several photographs, they might bring you a lot of money. The more images you upload, the more money you will make. And in the long run, it's possible because it'll stay on this website indefinitely, allowing for sales in the coming weeks, months, and years. Let's say you upload 10 images and each generates you $500. That will net you $5,000 in the long run. And the other tool I'm about to show you will let you pick from thousands of different photos. You can then use these to upload to Fope and make a decent amount of money over time. This tool will also provide high-quality, professional images which will really help you stand out on Fope. You'll have a far higher chance of making more money this way. You can also fulfill additional missions that are offered on a daily basis in addition to uploading those photographs. Every day, you will receive a new mission to perform which will pay you a lump sum. For example, you will be rewarded $700, $600, $400, $100, $50, and so on. As a result of these additional missions, you can earn some more cash and potentially earn a lot more every day. There aren't many missions at one time, but they should be updated every day. And you should be able to get into new missions every day so you can earn some extra money. Even if these tasks only bring in $100 per day, it's fine because it's simply a side gig. If you're wondering how you'll get your money from Fope, you come to the right place. Here's how it works. You go to Settings and enter your PayPal email address to set up your cash out setting. Yes, as soon as you make a sale, you will be paid immediately into your PayPal account. You can cash out and spend your PayPal funds on anything you wish right away. You won't have to deal with the points or coins or conversion, but you will have access to real cash right away that you can spend. And if you're still not convinced, check out this PayPal payment showing a $24 payout. To begin earning money with Fope, you must first download their completely free app to your smartphone device. Depending on the type of phone you have, you will need to go to the Google Play or Apple App Store. Then you must download and install the program. You may find Fope on Google Play or the App Store, or go to fope.com and then scroll down from there to find the links. All you have to do now is click this button to install. Once you have downloaded the app to your smartphone, you can sign up as a creator. This step is completely free and takes less than 60 seconds. After that, you can begin uploading various photographs and earning passive revenue from them. The more photos you upload, the more money you'll earn. Now, I've gone so far as to say that you can only shoot images with your phone. You'll only need a camera for this. Simply launch the camera app on your phone. Then you can start taking pictures of everything around you. Go for a walk and take pictures of nature, the streets, pets, the sunset, trees, and more. Then simply post it to Fope. Experiment with different photos and put them to the test. Uploading to Fope is free and each one you upload can provide you with some substantial passive revenue. If you don't want to take your own photos, you can use this other tool. Just go to burst.shopify.com. And again, the website is at burst.shopify.com. This is a place that provides free stock photographs for websites and commercial use. These are the high-resolution photographs that you can download for free and then upload to fope.com. You can see here they have a huge library of photos that are all organized into various categories. If you click on the View All Collections button, it leads you to their top categories like mental health, work from home, female photographer, business, shop local, famous, and so much more. You may take a look at all of these different categories and discover a lot of high-quality photographs to re-upload to Fope. You can also make minor adjustments such as changing the color grading or adding some text if desired, but it isn't required at all. So let's say, for example, I want to take some work from home images. I just have to click on the work from home button right here, or even go over the search bar and search for work from home. Go up to the top search box and type in work from home. And it will give us all these amazing photos which you can use. These are some extremely excellent quality photographs that we will use for free and upload on Fope. Let's say that you like this photo. All I have to do is click the high quality button to download it. We don't want low resolution obviously, because we stand a higher chance of making more money with the high resolution ones. We prefer them. People would clearly prefer to pay more for a high resolution photograph than a low resolution photograph. It will appear on your computer after you click the download button. I'll close this window immediately and go get another image. I usually look through a bunch of them at once. If any of them appeals to me, I will download it. As you can see, it only takes one button click. Let's see what else we can locate. Perhaps this one, which I'll also download. As you can see, it only takes 5 seconds. It's as simple as clicking on it and it will download to your computer. All you have to do now is return to Fope and post the photographs. And again, the more photos you upload, the more likely you are to earn more money. I hope you learned some new ways to make money with this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss out on any new content. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in one of our next videos.